We've had pretty pleasant mornings and evenings. You've probably noticed those temperatures just rising through the 70s in the morning, hitting those lower 80s, and then going back down in the 70s for the evening. That's our steady forecast that we have all the way into the weekend. We are expecting our next rain on Sunday. It's still looking a little more likely now to get showers and a couple storms. Not looking too terrible as far as severe or flooding kind of risks go. And then cooler and less humid weather will be with us early next week. We'll get back to some highs in the 70s at the start of next week. Right now we're at 80 degrees. Our highs yesterday and today mostly in the lower 80s, and we do have most of our spots reporting right around 80 degrees. And as anticipated with that disturbance to our north, we have seen those southeast winds picking up today, some gusts even near 25 miles per hour, and satellite imagery certainly showing that cloud cover filtering in from the west. If you remember yesterday, I was pointing out some of those showers and storms generally in North Texas and kind of this whole system shifting off to the northeast. Very strong and very easy to spot low pressure spinning right there over Nebraska. Some tornado watches, and also the severe risk really heading into the next few hours. Much higher, of course, far to our north. We're not even looking for any real rain. I mean, maybe a sprinkle or two later in the week. That's about it for our rain chance until we get to the weekend. This evening looks good. Temperatures in the 70s. Mostly cloudy skies continue tonight. Our North Shore lows in the upper 60s. South of the lake lows around 70. There might be a little patchy fog, not looking like a whole lot of widespread fog, but that could be something that we see a couple mornings heading into the middle and end of the week. And highs tomorrow, I have just about a degree or so higher than where we've been, 83 or so. So a warm day with that cloud and sun mix overhead. Jumping ahead to the weekend, Saturday, I have our rain chance at near 20%. Still a warm, humid kind of day. We've got the clouds mixed with some sun, maybe a few showers. And then Sunday, I still have a decent chance for showers and a few storms. High temperatures may only stay in the 70s thanks to the clouds and that rain moving in. So let's take a look at it. This is our European model I'm showing you. This is noon on Saturday. And then here it has a couple of showers out ahead of this front. So again, Saturday, slight chance of rain. This is Sunday, 10 a.m. Here comes the front. This is by 4 p.m. So looking like maybe midday and afternoon, potentially for timing. That could still change a little, but this takes us into the evening and a lot of the rain may already be finished by then. Again, so many days out, the timing could change, but that's what it was showing yesterday and today. So we'll see if that continues. And then that slightly drier, cooler air moves in for Sunday night and into early next week. So how much rain are we talking about? This time we're not talking about several inches like we got last week. We're talking about maybe up to an inch or so. The European model has a ½ inch to an inch. The GFS has even a little bit less than that, but I think at this point it's looking like under 1 inch for those scattered showers and storms on Sunday. And the models have been going back and forth a little. One will have a little more rain and the other will be drier, and then they switch today, so we will see. But it does look like we will get at least some rain with that system on Sunday. By the way, really quickly touching on the Mississippi River, you may have noticed it's been rising. In fact, it just jumped to 9.5 feet. We're not expecting any flooding. Flood stage, remember, is way up at 17 feet, but we are expecting it to rise. The forecast is for maybe another foot by the end of the weekend, and then kind of steadily stay about the same, but by the end of next week start to fall gradually. So pretty typical to see this. If you have noticed it's going up, that's how much we're expecting it to go up and not get toward flood stage at this point. So we'll keep you updated on that, but just a little note there. 7-day forecast shows those temperatures maybe even getting close to upper 80s on Friday. We'll see if the skies open and we do get a bit more sunshine, like we might see, partly to maybe even mostly sunny skies. We might see that temperature get close to 90 in spots. So warm on Friday for sure before we get that cool down by late Sunday.